Hello world. Today is March 30th, 2025, and I'm not sure if you can tell outside we got hail here in Indianapolis, Indiana, USA. It is a little cuckoo here. Um, yeah, it's pretty violent. Everything here. So I hope my plants will survive. Can you hear the sound of hail coming in? Let's toaster. Is it scary, toaster? Hmm? No, it's not. Because you're a brave boy. It doesn't scare you. Okay, okay. I have to say it is pretty violent. And yeah. You're not scared? Because Toaster is a brave boy. He's not scared of the storm. He's not. Do you hear that? Do you see that? Toaster is really focusing outside. No? Doesn't bother you, huh, Toaster? Okay. Do you hear thunder? Can you see like hell? It's like coming in. Woohoo! That was a big one. That's a big one, huh, Toaster? Wow. Did you see that? Did you hear that? Woohoo! Do you see that? Do you hear that? And do you see that? I mean, I'm talking about the hell outside. Wow, this is just bumping all over outside. What do you think, Toaster? Is it violent outside? It's violent for sure. Hail bumping all over. Already, I guess you got the idea. Alright, Toaster, say bye. Toaster, say bye-bye. No? Okay then.